In a quaint coastal town, rumors of a ghostly lighthouse keeper named Old Salty spread like wildfire. Tourists flocked to see the eerie light flickering at midnight. One night, brave locals, Jake and Emma, decided to investigate. I bet it's just a prank, Jake whispered, flashlight in hand. As they approached, a shadowy figure appeared, moaning, "Who dares disturb my slumber?" Emma gasped, "It's Old Salty." Suddenly, the figure tripped, revealing a clumsy seagull tangled in a bedsheet. Jake laughed. "Guess Old Salty's just a salty bird." Hit the like button if you love a good ghost story.